Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Are you all watching online videos? Yes, very good. In the last session, we learned about some special houses. Today, we will learn about some more special houses and types of roofs. So, let's start. As I already told you, houses that cannot be shifted from one place to another are known as permanent houses. There are some houses that can be moved from one place to another. They are called temporary houses. A tent and a caravan are examples of a temporary house. Kids, tent is a temporary house made up of sheets of fabric or other materials. First used as a portable homes by nomads, people who do not live in one place but move from one place to another. Tents are now more often used for camping and temporary shelters. Caravan. Kids, it is a type of vehicle that is pulled by a car. It is designed for people to live and sleep in, especially when they are on a holiday. Types of roofs. Flat roofs. Usually, we have houses with flat roofs in places having warm climates and less rainfall. However, houses on the mountains have a sloping roof. It allows rainwater to slide off easily. Snow can be easily removed from a sloping roof. Did you know a tree house is made on a tree? Such houses are mostly made in forest. Now let's recall. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, snow, animals and thieves. Houses are mainly of two types, kacha and pakka houses. There are special houses that are found only in some places. A houseboat, caravan, igloo, and stilt house are examples of such houses. Permanent houses cannot be shifted from one place to another. Temporary houses can be moved from one place to another. Answer the following questions. Why do we need a house? We need a house to protect ourselves from thieves, different weather conditions, and animals. How is a kacha house different from a pakka house. Kacha houses are mainly made of mud, wood, and sticks. These houses usually have roofs made of straw. Pakka houses are made of bricks, steel, cement, and stone. Why do most of the houses on mountains have sloping roofs? Snow can easily be removed from a sloping roof. A sloping roof does not allow rainwater to accumulate on the roof. Now, let's do an activity. Choose the correct option. Which houses are mainly made of mud, wood, and sticks? And the options are pakka houses, kacha houses, and special houses. Yes, the answer is B. Kacha houses. Which special houses are made of blocks of ice? Option A, igloos. Option B, houseboats. Option C, stilt houses. And the right answer is option A, igloos. Which roof allows rainwater to slide off easily? Option A, flat roof. Option B, thatched roof. Option C, sloping roof. And the answer is sloping roof. Now, homework. Look at the pictures and identify the different types of houses. Then write their names in the crossword. Kids, I hope you properly understood about different types of houses. Soon we will meet. Goodbye.